Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened OTC pair. Okay, here if you observe, I have plotted a zone. In that zone only market is trying to move. Okay, first of all, now here just now I have gone with sellers. Why? If you observe the last 4 candles, just now there is a buyer's momentum which has been completed. After completing, if you understand, still you got a strong candle. The sellers and buyers are making a zone kind of scenarios, which means 1 green 2 red, 1 green 2 red. These kind of scenarios are happening over here. So as of now, in the left side you don't have levels. As of now you have only that particular zone only. So market is trying to making a move in this area. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers. Okay, now what is the next candle here? Here if you observe one thing, there is a gap down. Okay, first thing, and second thing, if you observe, still there is a gap for the next level. So easily you can go with sellers because the previous buyers which have been entered from an area, still there is a gap. And let me show you one thing. If I zoom out here, maybe I could get a levels. Okay, we'll see here what will happen. As of now, we can go with selling here. Okay, we'll check this pair, maybe loss of pairs. Okay, what is the next candle? If possible, I will try to take trades in this pair also. Maybe you could understand new situations, new concepts. Okay, see here we can win this because the sellers are getting too strong. As of now, here we don't have opportunity. So I'm trying to check in this pair. If you check, overall trend is a downtrend, if you understand. Now the market is making and moving in a zone here also. So here I should go with buyers 1 point. Second thing, with margin of safety, I will go with buyers. Why? Let me enter here. Yes, perfect entry. Why I have gone with reversal trade means here previous I have a momentum, but all of a sudden you got a strong seller's entry. Still the present candle will be a selling candle only, but I need a entry point in such a way where the rejection will be formed. How can you say it will get a rejection? First thing, here you have a level. Let me show you the zone where previously every time the market has been reversed continuously. Let me highlight those levels. Here there is a zone. Already the previous candle has been closed exact at the area. Because of the strength of the sellers, it could make a weak candle. So that's why only I have gone confidently with buyers because I didn't get any entry. So that's why. Is it clear? Okay. Now what is the next candle? Now if you observe here a logic, the wick which was rejected of the present candle of the zone which was previously formed buyers. Easily you can go with buyers here. Why? It is an area where previously strong momentum has been formed. From that area, can't you expect at least one buying candle? Yes, you can expect because the wick already rejected from that zone. So if you observe the levels, I have only plotted 2 major levels, 2 minor levels. In that minor, one was the support where the wick was rejected previously. So obviously you can go with buyers here. So you should understand these all points whenever you are trading. Whenever you have a knowledge, try to club all the knowledge. And main thing, today I have uploaded every candle explanation part 4 in the YouTube. Try to check. Okay, it's cost not even $1. So try to pay and check the valid content, which will give you a lots of knowledge in that. Regarding particularly momentum, I have mentioned these all points. So try to check, try to observe the market. Maybe you could get more points, more answers for your questions. Regarding that, you can easily take trades. Okay. So this time, don't miss the opportunity because the content of each and every candle explanation is, it depends and it will change your mindset of thinking regarding in the market. By this you can understand the market better, you will get new points and you can understand the situations. Anyone can trade in the trend, but all of a sudden there will be a zone in the sideways. How to react from that particular zone? So try to check those content which will helps you a lot. Okay, from the next candle we will try to take trades. Here I will go with sellers. Why? I did get a weak point. Let me take one more trend. Here I will confidently go with buyers. Already I have plotted a level from here. Left side, if you notice, strong momentum. Right side, here I got a candle where buyers can enter easily. So I have taken two trades here, one in the previous chart, and here we got a buying candle opportunity. See, whenever you are trading, try to find the opportunities which will help you a lot. Okay, so here you can easily enter with buyers confidently, so easily you can win this trade. So whenever you are trading, try to trade at the levels only, because it will give you nice opportunities. We'll check this chart, what will happen. Okay, here the sellers are interested. Why I have gone after two momentum, so that's why only I have one thing. But okay, in the last it got a buying candle. Okay, now officially I will go with sellers. How can I go now? Because there is a level. So that's why now I can confidently go with sellers. Sometimes in the market will happen these kind of situations. Yeah, you can say after momentum you got two retracements, can't you go down? Yeah, we can go down, but sometimes it will happen like this. Maybe it's a good thing that happened in my video. Better you can understand the reality, because every time, every candle we can't win. Sometimes we should accept the reality and we should continue the next candle. See, here you can win this trade because this time there is a level and the candle has a weakness, so easily I can go with sellers here. So try to understand these points always in the market. Okay, here we got win finally. Okay, what is the next candle now? Do you have any idea regarding this? Still there is a gap. Can I go with buyers or sellers? Decide. Previous the buyers have entered from the downside. Okay, I will do one thing. 1 second. Here, if you understand, the sellers are getting stronger and not even getting entry point. Okay, I will go with the reversal here. Okay, now why you have gone with reversal? Maximum margin of this candle will be a selling candle. Why? First of all, I will clear you the answer. There is a gap of sellers, so it will fulfill the market definitely. But just now I have highlighted a level. Let me highlight those level for you. I have waited up to this level. Let me highlight. Okay, here is a black line, which is a support area where previously the buyers have been particularly entered as a momentum. So after that only I have entered. Maybe the rejections will save me. So that's the reason only I have gone with buyers. Okay, but actually candle will be a selling candle only. I didn't get an entry point for sellers. That's it. Okay, now what is the next candle? Can I go with buyers or sellers? Here there is a strong rejection, right? So that's the reason only I'm going with buyers. If possible, I will get a margin of safety. I will take one more trade because this area looks like somewhat clumsy. So that's why maybe if possible, I will take one more trade for buying only. So if you understand overall market, you will understand how to plot the levels, where should you react, where you shouldn't react. Okay, sometimes you may get lost, sometimes you can win easily with the recovery. And some logics like the rejections will form according to the level will behave. Okay, so you can understand these all points in the market. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can you guess? Any idea? Yeah, I will go with buyers. There is a minor gap, so if possible I will try to go with buyers here. We'll see what will happen. Okay, I have gone with buyers. Why? Because the next level is somewhat far, but still there is a gap, so these are the reasons, and the level is too strong, so that's why only I'm going with buyers. But here all of a sudden we have strong selling entry. We'll see. I won't take any extra trades because sometimes we should accept why the reality should be loss. Okay, maybe left side there is a retest level, already bigs have been entered. Anyways, it's not a big problem. Still the sellers are interested, means maybe the market wants to go down, maybe, or it wants to take support again. These things will be formed in the market. Anyways, it's okay, we have to check what will happen. Okay, finally we got loss. It's okay. What is the next candle now? still there is a gap, but I have a buying area only. Okay, the market has been opened exact at the buying area. Anyways, I will go with buyers. We'll see what will happen. Let me take margin of safety. Okay, we'll see what will happen here. I will clear all the lines for your clarity. Okay, we have to check here what will happen here. The market has been opened exact at the buying area, so that's the reason only I have gone with buyers. We'll see what will happen. Maybe this time you have get nice new points, because every time the market will be in trending horizon, but this time nor it is a moving in a sideways, there is a valid level, or exact the market is moving, it's behaving like that, and at the same time we are getting weak candles too, because our entry points made loss. Okay, anyways, finally, okay, it's a selling candle. Okay, we got loss, it's okay. Now I should continue. Let me higher my amount. I will take trade. Okay, I will take $20 if possible. Okay, now I will go with buyers with margin of 50 this time, because there is a weakness in the market and the areas near, so we have to see what will happen here. Okay, again I'm going with buyers only. Why? Because previous maybe the market has fulfilled the area, but this time again the market has been opened at the same area, but I have a weakness in the seller, so that's why with margin of safety this time I have gone with buyers. We'll see what will happen. See, sometimes our entry points make us win, our entry point make us loss, means this only. Okay, you got both the examples of today, so you have to see this. Okay, finally the buyers are interested. Okay, finally we got win. Let us check what will happen. Okay, 2 seconds. Oh, in the last 1 second it made a selling candle. Okay, now again I will go with buyers only. Okay, nice entry point. Okay, this time I got perfect entry point. Still I will go only with buyers this time. See, it is trying to make weak candles at the levels itself. See how complicated the area is. Even if you predict the correct answer also, by entry point the weakness of the candle will make you loss. See how weakness, again the candle has been, now officially it was exactly gap down and closed at the level. Previously if you notice, it was slight gap up. See how the things have been changed here. That's why most of the people will say OTC is dangerous, because of this kind of things only. But this time it won't happen. It is a valid buying candle. Why? Because it was gap down, opened, and our entry point is too good this time, so easily we can win. Okay, if this is win, I will close the session. See, last 2 seconds. Okay, at last 1 second it came to top as a buyer. See how complicated area is. So that's why I used to say stick with your plan only. My level is working, but the candles are making these kind of things. Yeah, you can check my history. Continues to losses, it's okay. You know the reality of the market. Okay guys, if you check here, you will understand the points. Have a nice day. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.